Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove friends in Snapchat. So if you want to remove a friend from your friends list on Snapchat, you might have gotten into a fight with them or you just don't talk with them anymore. I'll show you guys exactly how to remove somebody from your friends list on Snapchat and just remove them from being a friend with you on Snapchat. But first things first, make sure that your Snapchat is all the way updated by going to the App Store, Google Play Store, and searching for Snapchat. But once you make sure that it's all the way updated, you can head over to the Snapchat app. Now, from here, there's a couple ways that you can remove them as a friend. The first way is if you go over to your chats, you should see everybody that you've been recently texting or snapping. Now, find the person that you want to remove as a friend and hold on their name. If you hold on their name, these options will show up here, and you want to find the option that says Manage Friendship. So it should be the second option down, and once you find it, you can click on it and it will show up these three options right here. Now you want to look for the option that says Remove Friend and just remove them as a friend. You can also report and block them if they've been doing some sussy activities, but if you just want to remove them as a friend, just remove them as a friend. Now that is the first option, but maybe you deleted the chats and you can't find them in the chat subsection. Then what you want to do, you want to go to your profile picture in the top left corner and scroll down until you see the option for My Friends, where it shows all your friends. Now once you find that, click on it and it'll show everybody that your friends list on Snapchat. So you want to search for the person that you want to remove as a friend. So just search their username. If you can't remember it, then you can also just scroll through all the users that are on there. But it's the same process. You just hold down on their name and then click on the Manage Friendship. So you just find whoever you want to remove and then click on Manage Friendship. And once you click on Manage Friendship, these three, or you can also go to their profile actually, and then click on the three dots in the top right corner as well, and then click Manage Friendship, and then click Remove. But as you can see, there's a couple ways to remove them as a friend, but they all end up doing the same thing. So that is how you remove a friend in Snapchat. You just find their profile, hold on it, and then remove them as a friend. But I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.